So now moving on to the last question, yay, of this section, number 33. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Cambodia's Angkor Wat was built in the 1100s to honor the Hindu god Vishnu. It has been a Buddhist temple since the 16th century. Decorrelation stretch analysis is a novel digital imaging technique that enhances the contrast between colors in a photograph. Archaeologist Noel Hidalgo Tan applied decorrelation stretch analysis to photographs he had taken of Angkor Wat's plaster walls. And then finally, the last thing which the student has taken notes is Tan's analysis revealed hundreds of images unknown to researchers. Now, what does the student want to do? The student wants to present Tan's research to an audience unfamiliar with the Angkor Wat. So both Tan's research as well as what is this Angkor Wat has to be there in his summary. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this task? So A says Tan photographed Angkor Wat's plaster walls and then applied decorrelation stretch analysis to the photographs. So this is incorrect because, of course, the sentence presents Tan's research, but it fails to explain what Angkor Wat is for the audience unfamiliar with the temple. So if we choose this, the audience wouldn't even know what is this Angkor Wat. Then B is incorrect. This one says decorrelation stretch analysis is a novel digital imaging technique that Tan used to enhance the contrast between colors in a photograph. So you can clearly see that it is talking about research, but it is not telling, is incorrect. The choice, the sentence, it emphasizes the role what decorrelation stretch analysis played in Tan's research. It doesn't present the research which would require specifying where it was conducted. That means Angkor Wat is not even mentioned over here. So we don't know where it was applied. And C is the best answer because this one says using a novel digital imaging technique, Tan revealed hundreds of images hidden on the walls of Angkor Wat, a Cambodian temple. So this is best because it effectively presents Tan's research to an audience unfamiliar with Angkor Wat. So Angkor Wat, people know that it's a Cambodian temple, and it also explains the results of the research and identifies Angkor Wat as a temple in Cambodia. So the research was about a novel digital imaging technique which also revealed hundreds of hidden images. So everything is perfectly there, and therefore D is also not correct. D just talks about built to honor a Hindu god before becoming a Buddhist temple. Cambodia's Angkor Wat concealed hundreds of images on its plaster walls. So this one, as you can see, this one it does explain what Angkor Wat is, but it fails to present. Tan's research is not mentioned here at all. It just talks about concealed hundreds of images, but nothing about the research done is mentioned. So that is also quite easy. So in the next video, we will go to the next section of reading module 2, which is also having 33 questions, but this one is done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel SAT Suite. See you next time. Bye bye.